Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Divi theme mobile responsive. We'll start by exploring Divi's powerful built-in tools, which allow you to easily adapt your website for different screen sizes. Then, we'll dive into customizing specific elements to ensure they look perfect on phones and tablets. Finally, I'll show you how to effectively test your responsive design for a flawless user experience across all devices. Divi offers intuitive responsive settings directly within the Visual Builder. You can access these options for almost any module, row, or section. Simply click the phone icon next to a setting to adjust values specifically for desktop, tablet, or mobile. This allows you to fine-tune elements like text size, padding, and margins, ensuring your content is perfectly legible and well-spaced on every screen. While Divi's built-in options are robust, sometimes you need more granular control. This is where custom CSS comes in handy. You can add custom CSS directly in the Divi theme options or within individual module settings. Utilize media queries to apply styles only when the screen width falls within a certain range, for example, below 768 pixels. This allows for highly specific design tweaks. After making your adjustments, thorough testing is crucial. Always preview your website on actual mobile devices to catch any unexpected issues. Browser developer tools also offer excellent responsive testing modes, allowing you to simulate various screen sizes. Remember to optimize your images for web to ensure fast loading times on mobile connections, providing a smooth and enjoyable experience for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.